In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change Vercel region. Adjusting your function region can reduce latency for your users, align with data residency needs, and improve overall performance. We will keep this simple and clear, and I will share context along the way so you know exactly what each step does. First, log into Vercel and select your project from the dashboard. If you work across multiple projects, make sure you open the correct one before making changes. You can also access settings directly by clicking the three dots on your project card and choosing Settings. Either path takes you to the same place, so use whichever is quicker for you. If you are part of a team, ensure you have the right permissions to update project settings. Inside your project, look to the sidebar and click on Functions. This section controls how your serverless and edge functions behave. We're focusing on serverless function regions here, which determine where your code executes when a request comes in. Picking an optimal region helps reduce round-trip time, especially for requests that hit your APIs or back-end logic. Next, find the Function Regions dropdown. Open it and choose the region that best serves your primary audience or is closest to your database or other upstream services. As a rule of thumb, select the location nearest to the majority of your users or collocate with your data to minimize cross-region network hops. Available regions can vary based on your plan and feature availability. So if you don't see a specific location, select the closest alternative. Keep in mind that some features may behave differently across regions, and cold starts or timeouts can be affected by distance to downstream services. After selecting the region, save your changes. Don't skip this step. Your selection won't take effect until it's saved. Once saved, Vercel will apply the new region setting to your functions moving forward. Static assets continue to be served over Vercel's global edge network. So this change specifically affects function execution, not your static files. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.